Yo, what's up guys? Max here, back with another video. As you can tell, I'm on the GoPro again. But today is the day of a new project coming into the garage. First of all, it's incredibly exciting. This is one of the probably most iconic bikes in motocross and all that good stuff. Pretty rare right now. It's hard to find them for as cheap as I'm getting them, and even then they're not even really worth anything at that point because they're just so beat. Long story short, we're picking up a CR500 today, which I have acquired from a buddy of mine who's selling. He's had it for a while. I've tried to buy it off him countless times. It's out to you, Jesse. Thank you for finally selling it to me. Made an offer, kind of went around a bit, and in it for $600. It's registered. Well, it has the title and everything, so that's good. One thing it's missing is the top end, other than the cylinder head. It has a cylinder head, but does not have the cylinder. So I am going to have to buy that, but I'm well aware that I'm going to have to do that. But that's okay, man. I mean, finding a CR is really hard right now. Even if you do find them, you can't find them for under 9 or roughly 7 for someone that's already beat up from some guy who didn't really care about it. That sounded lovely. But yeah, we're going to pick this thing up, driving the truck. Today's also going to be a double whammy, I think. I think I'm going to go get my truck smogged today, see if she passes. Again, it's freaking cold outside, like ridiculously cold. Oh, it sucks. But oh well, we'll get this thing going. Pick up, like I said, a CR500 98. Yeah, it's rolling, so we'll just roll it up on the ramp. We'll be good to go. So I'll see you guys there. It's actually at the old high school that I went to, that you guys just saw in the last video. I forgot to give her the pumps. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like a dime. I didn't get an exhaust clip before. There's a small one. Oh, she is cold. The choke wasn't on yet, so we gave it a little bit of help. It's so cold. Yeah, we'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we're here right now. We're gonna go get the bike from in there. And yeah.
After smoking licorice, Marty's big dog brain hit on a clever way to open pop bottles. Later, Stan went to the hospital for swallowing broken glass. Marty badly cut the inside of his mouth, though he didn't even know it at the time.
Alright guys, so I'm actually going to get my truck smoked, so that's going to be another video. We moved around the bikes into the 5. Quick little overview. Abe's here, right Abe? I know, you're here. Look at this cylinder. The size of my fist, but bigger. Actually came with some neat stuff, so we were worried we were going to buy some reeds because it didn't come with any. Little did we know it did. Came with boys and factory reeds, which is fantastic. I mean, Pro Circuit factory pipe. The carburetor's massive. It's huge. Bolts, wrist pin, all that. Hanger for the exhaust. Came with the expansion pipe. Came with OEM bars. Look at that Harley bend, guys. Look at that, Abe. Came with just so much stuff. The cylinder head, yeah, it's just in perfect condition, honestly. Like, I don't see any problem with it. No chips, nothing, absolutely nothing. We think how the guy blew it up is, you can tell by the tire, it's just bald. I think he was doing burnouts and just seized the engine because it didn't come with the cylinder. It was blown. So Abe, you want to record this real quick? Just go right here. But you guys can see, you can zoom in, Abe. Just look at how smooth it is. Go from right here. Stick your arm in it. Push it in farther. You're good. No, put it close. But he has oil in the bottom end. It's so smooth, guys. Like, this thing is ready to go. All we need is a cylinder. We're gonna do, oh, forks too. Forks are blown on this side. Rear shock is blown. I can see oil. Otherwise, dude, it has aftermarket radiators, radiator guards, has a working connection skid plate. I mean, there's more than I can ask for on the bike. Shout out to Jesse, hooking it up big time. I've been trying to buy this bike from him for like freaking months. He finally told me it was time. I think you realize how much everything was. It even comes with like all the brackets for the exhaust, the springs for the exhaust. There's just so much stuff here. I have to go through all of it, make sure everything's good. We got a little bit of time now. We gotta take my truck to get smogged, so stay in here.
Smart move.
What? That's like the move to do.
Yeah.
Use your stand as a second stool.
Uh-oh, your GoPro turned off.
No, just tap it. It's just a screen turns off.
Oh.
Even comes with the aftermarket gas cap. Ooh, the gas stinks and it's dyed blue. So there's a little bit of old premix. Jeremy, why do you tighten this so tight? Oh. Well, my buddy tightened the strap and I don't know how I did it. Now it's all flustered. Oh, there we go. Perfect. You guys already know this is going to be a crazy build. I want to go with IMX tank on this because I am building it for my dad. He has his bike, so seems pretty nice. So he's going to have a bike to ride other than the DR because it's not all that great. He's gonna have the suspension tuned. Subframe on the bottom isn't even attached right now. It's shaking, but it's a tall bike, dude. It's a big boy. Clutch works too, which is nice. Front brakes work, rear brake works.
Those forks are leaning.
Oh yeah, it's so, look. Oh, I guess that's factory stance. I'm gonna try to do this. Oh, you like the zip tie fender too, Abe?
He has a zip. Oh.
I'm gonna do this It's nice and slow. How am I looking?
You're looking good. Just go straight back.
These brakes are slipping just a little bit. Whoa.
Straight back. You're good.
Perfect. That's official. Got a CR500. Hold that up real quick.
The bike?
Yeah, it's pretty light.
Well, considering it doesn't have anything on it.
Yeah, that's true. No, that won't work. This will work. Oh. What do you guys think? It's gonna be a good enough project. You wanna move the scooter, eh?
Huh?
Move the scooter?
Yeah.
Oh. We're gonna have two two-strokes now with my YZ. Winch is getting built. Blooper, the cylinder's ready to go. So I got the top end put together.
You want me to show him?
I mean, no. It's another video. We shined up the cases. Oh my god, dude, this is just a big bike. It's definitely kind of heavy, but the crazy thing is the bike's not as big as I thought it would be. From what I've heard, usually they're a bit bigger, but also engine and stuff isn't in here, so it's kind of deceiving right now, but let's go with this. So we'll put this, what, like right here, you think?
Yeah, I
good
think
looking?
that would be good. Or you could put it closer to the bikes.
I know we have a Yamaha stand right now. I'm using it from the YZ. That's heavy. How am I going to do for it?
There you go.
Perfect. We have a CR5 in the garage. It's official. Project will begin pretty much immediately. I'm still doing the YZ, so. Oh, feel this. Oh my god. Dude, feel the bars. No wonder it was hard to steer. Oh. Oh, dude, the bearings are so bad on that. Yeah, we're gonna do full factory, I think. OEM, just spec on this. You guys can see it has the Devil radiators. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, tell me. Aftermarket radiators in here. I think the stock were black, but that has welded, so yeah, it doesn't have that nut on there yet, but that's okay. Brakes work pretty well, kicks over nice. I mean, dude, CR500, new build number 2 for the channel.
Well,
YZ, okay, I'll show you guys a little bit, but that's all you get. You probably slow it down. But yeah, what do you guys think? I think it's gonna be pretty crazy. 500s are like I said, one of the most iconic bikes in history, I believe. I mean, they're just mean. Oh, and it has a uni air filter. But I mean, they're just one of the most iconic bikes in history. Just known for just being crazy, snapping people's leg trying to kickstart it. It's freaking sick. I plan on riding this too. I mean, yeah, but tell me what you guys think. You excited for the new build? Clutch works pretty well. It's a little bit stiff, but yeah, guys, it's gonna be a crazy build. And hope you're here for the journey. I mean, CR500, let's do it. See you guys in the next one. Bye.